In the last video, we have seen how can we build the web form. In this video, we will see how can we make a field require that user will not be able to send or submit the form until he fills that field. So we can do it by simply adding the required attribute of HTML5. So I will add it here. Required. Save your file. Refresh the browser. Yeah. Now I will try to submit the form without adding something here. And here it is. You can see the HTML5 message. Please fill out this field. It is clearly specifying that you cannot submit the form until and unless you fill this field. Now I will try to add something here and click on the submit. Now you can submit the form. That's it.